Today we're installing a brand new Irrigreen smart sprinkler system. That means between the front yard and the backyard, we're only going to need 4 sprinklers for this entire area. Thanks so much to Irrigreen for sponsoring this video. Let's get started. So the first step is to plan out where we need our sprinklers. So for one area, you can have a sprinkler stretch 27 feet. So right here in the middle, that's going to be our center mark, and it's only 25 feet to that side and 25 feet to that side. This is a perfect area for the sprinkler head. Let's go ahead, dig some trenches for the line. And after a lot of that and a lot of this, it's time to install the water lines. So we're going to start here at the water, and we're going to dig a trench all the way around for 1-inch pipe, putting our heads about 2 feet away from the pipe. Now, because we're only using one line, this is going to save us a ton of pipe. Now that we have our lines in, we're going to put on the flex tube, and we're going to flush this out for 3 minutes to clear out any debris before we put on the sprinkler head. And then I'm going to get a 6-inch box to put over the valve here in case we ever need to change that out. Now we're going to take the Irrigreen sprinkler head and tighten it on. We're going to hand tighten only and use no tape. And then we're going to wire this into the wires that go back to the control box. We'll finish this off with a coupling, and then there's a 60-foot wire that goes between each head, and we'll connect all those together. Now we're going to install the control box in a place that has great Wi-Fi. We're now going to calibrate the sprinkler head. We're now going to bury the head, making sure it's staying about a 1/2 inch above the ground level. Now here we have a slope, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn the Irrigreen sprinkler head to be half the difference between level and the slopes. And then we're going to bury all the lines, and then we're going to edit the shape of the yard. So now I'm going to create a dot map of the yard so it knows exactly where it needs to water. So here I can use the little buttons here to navigate it where I want to go, and we're going to start in this top left corner, making sure it's about 6 inches away from the edge of the yard. And so here I'm going to go around continuing to add points, more points around curved areas, until I've completed a map of the yard. And now that that has been made, let's do a quick run to see how it looks. And here you can see it's following the path that we designed. It's not overshooting at all, perfectly lining up with the edge of the lawn here. And now that we have our full Irrigreen system set up and installed, let's go ahead and check out what it can do. So first, here in the app, you have the option to create different schedules. You can have it run and easily adjust how much water it's putting out, as well as see the current water usage for the last week. When the schedule runs, each sprinkler head acts as a zone. Now, if there's plenty of pressure to your water, you can have this shoot up to 30 feet. Now this is going to save a lot of water because it's pinpointing an area versus having it spray all over the place. Watching this sped up, you can see how it blankets the entire yard, completing the watering in just a few passes. And at any point, if you notice it's shooting too far or too short, you can easily jump in the app and make fine-tune adjustments to the map to make it perfect. And as for throw distance, we had no problem hitting 29 feet with about 80 PSI. When you order using my link, you'll get 1 sprinkler head for free. And that's how you can install the Irrigreen Smart Sprinkler System. If you have any further questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and you can pick yours up in the link in my bio. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.